Hello guys, welcome to my YouTube channel. So today we're going to talk about a very genuine software, ebook creator. Basically, it's known as Scribble. It's a very genuine software and classic software. It's the one software where you can create instantly ebook. So let's start. What is Scribble? Let me tell you. People involved in marketing spend a lot of time creating marketing material in the form of ebook with paper reports to strength to their marketing pitches. And even tough, there are a lot of tools available in the market that allows you to create ebook. Most of them come with crappy template, buggy and unreliable, and this is where the Scribble ebook creator app stand apart from, as it helps in creating ebook in just mint. As I already mentioned in this Scribble review, it's basically a cloud-based software that comes packed with a lot of inbuilt professional template along with nice and attractive covers to give your ebooks that professional appeal. And the most important aspect of Scribble software is creating ebook is extremely easy and simple, and you don't need any technical knowledge to create ebook using the Scribble ebook builder app. And another aspect that every marketer would love the Scribble app is the fact is that it comes packed with a lot of powerful and help useful features that would save a lot of time and efforts for marketing professionals. Never has we seen so many features included in an ebook creator tool that you can find automatic pagination, automatic table of content, automatic headers and footers, easy to use drag and drop design, more than 300 fonts to choose from, the a lot of more. So now, what are the Scribble app features? Scribble ebook creator tool comes packed with a lot of features and is perfect for small and medium marketing agencies, freelancers, marketing professionals, anyone looking to create ebook. Some of the stunning features that you can find in the software. First, easy to use software. That software is exclusively designed to provide an easy use drag and drop user interface to provide marketing professional to create ebook at just a push of button. According to Scribble review, with the Scribble tool, you can create stunning professional ebook in just a minute. Second, automatic content. Another interesting feature that you can't find in another ebook creator is the ability to add automatic content to your ebook. But with Scribble book software, you can easily add expert content to your ebook without writing a single word of your own. Just select the niche of your ebook and the content gets automatically filled in. All you need to do is remove the unwanted content and add whatever more content you want. This feature is seen as a huge plus for marketing professionals, as it saves them a lot of time and effort. Stunning e-covers. Even tough, there are a lot of ebook creator in the market. Not everyone provide you with attractive covers for your ebook, and you need to seek the assistance of designer to create a separate design. But with the Scribble app, it comes packed with some professional quality covers that you can use instantly in your ebook. Create flip books with ease. Another interesting feature that Mac Scribble software in a leader in the ebook creator market is it ability to create flipbooks with ease. You can instantly turn your ebook into a flipbook with option to create a notion like you turning a real book. Agency right. With the Scribble app at your disposal, you can easily create your own design agency and make some money creating some stunning ebooks for marketing agencies. There is also commercial agency license include that allows you to create sell ebook. And what more, you even get a ready website built your agency so you can showcase all your creation to attractive client. Scribble offer you to complete freedom in creating ebook according to your taste requirement. You can customize every aspect of your ebook. Right from changing the font, colors, layout and theme easily, create your own professional ebook that completely showcase your product and service in style. Scribble ebook software is definitely one of the best ebook creator in the market that is packed with feature that every internet marketing professional would love to have. Just select your category, choose your theme and layout, add your images and content gets automatically filled in. Make the final changes and your professional quality ebook is ready within just a minute. So guys, this is a very genuine classy software if you want to create ebook in just minute and add your more content. So if you want this, so please check it. I am going to give in the link in description. Thank you very much.